Hey there, Countrified Clean friends. So I got this brush duster. It's called the Springy Thingy. And I found it on Facebook. I asked her about it. She sent it to me to try out. And I'm really quite impressed. What makes it different than the Swiffer is that it has that springy coil thing in the middle, so it bends. It can easily bend so that if you're going around objects, you don't have to hurt your wrist. It bends for you. It has springs, like little coils. I find that very cool and interesting, and it really makes dusting so much easier, and it fits any standard Swiffer or reusable cloth duster that you could put on it. So it's really cool. Check it out. I'll put the Facebook page down below, and I've seen it on Amazon. I'll put my link there, but it's really, really, really cool idea. I really like it. I just think that the rotating motion and the fact that it turns and moves around so easily makes my life dusting so much easier, faster, and funner. So check it out. Springy Thingy. And I mean, seriously, how can you not love the name?